angle between two intersecting lines. Suppose L1 and L2 are two intersecting lines. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, then the angle between them is a right angle, and its measure is pi upon 2. If they are not perpendicular, then two of the angles formed at their point of intersection are congruent and acute. The other two are obtuse. The measure of the acute angle is called the measure of the angle between the two lines. Hence, the measure of the angle between two intersecting lines satisfies alpha belongs 0, pi upon 2. We shall obtain the measure of tan alpha in terms of the slopes of lines L1 and L2. Lines L1 and L2 make angles θ1 and θ2 with the positive direction of x-axis. Let us suppose that θ1 greater than θ2. Suppose the measure of the acute angle between the lines is alpha 0 less than θ1, θ2 less than pi, θ1 and θ2 not equals to pi upon 2. Tan θ1 equals to m1 and tan θ2 equals to m2. If 0 less than θ1 minus θ2 less than pi upon 2, then alpha equals to θ1 minus θ2. If pi upon 2 less than θ1 minus θ2 less than pi, then alpha equals to pi minus of θ1 minus θ2. 0 less than θ1 minus θ2 less than pi upon 2. Then tan alpha equals to tan of θ1 minus θ2 equals to mod of tan of θ1 minus θ2. If pi upon 2 less than θ1 minus θ2 less than pi, then tan alpha equals to minus tan θ1 minus θ2 equals to mod of tan θ1 minus θ2, as tan θ1 minus θ2 less than 0. Hence, in any case, tan alpha equals to tan mod of θ1 minus θ2. Then, tan alpha equals to mod of θ1 minus θ2 upon 1 plus θ1 θ2 equals to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Therefore, alpha equals to tan inverse mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. 0 less than alpha less than pi upon 2. This formula is valid when the slopes of both lines are defined. If one of the lines is vertical and the slope of the other is tan theta equals to m, then for m greater than 0, alpha equals to pi upon 2 minus theta, and for m less than 0, alpha equals to theta minus pi upon 2. Thus alpha equals to mod of pi upon 2 minus theta.